OtterPro Lanyard heat press with dual control and feeding device, specially designed for lanyard personalization, and also works with ribbons, shoelaces, and similar narrow fabrics. It features a dual heating design, improving printing efficiency for personalized full wrap and full color prints on both sides. Integrated feeding and collecting system for seamless roll-to-roll operation. This lanyard heat press fits different lanyard widths. Insert the lanyard wheel and lanyard roll in the steel rod, separating each lanyard rod with wheels. Place the assembly in the feeding device. Insert the lanyard wheel and retainer ring in the steel rod, separating each wheel with the retainer ring. Place the assembly in the collecting device. Pass the lanyard blank through the rollers. Lock the end of the lanyard blank into the retainer ring and ensure they are securely fastened. Adjust pressure by turning two knobs at the same time. Turn on the heat press.